Interpreting rainfall graphs. Alrighty. So we've got a graph here that's indicating rainfall in Newcastle and Wollongong over the last 10 years. So we're just going to read off this. What was the annual rainfall for Newcastle in 2015? Go across to 2015. Newcastle is our blue one. So we go up to there and we look at that point right there. And we come across, it's a pretty good line, wasn't it? To there, and that will give us, there's 950, it's just above. We're going to go 960 millimeters. Now, if you said 970, that would be fine. If you said 975, that would be fine. If you said anything below 950, I would have an issue with that. And if you said anywhere near 1,000, I would have an issue with that because it obviously is right down near the 950 mark. Okay. So there is some leeway, but you also have to be relatively accurate. All right, next one. Which was the wettest year during this 10-year period for Wollongong? So Wollongong is our red one. So which one is the wettest year? That should be fairly straightforward. This is the amount of rainfall here. So the higher up, the more rainfall. So obviously it's that one. Follow it down. And 2013 is our wettest year for Wollongong. Which one had the largest difference in rainfall? So once again, the higher, the more rainfall, the lower, the less rainfall. So you want the biggest difference. So you want one that has a high rainfall and one that has a low rainfall. Doesn't matter which one's which. Have a look. If you look there, that's above 800. That's just above 1,000. So you're talking about 200. Here's a pretty big one. That's just below 800. And that's on 1150, so that's about 370 difference. And you keep going along and you check them. Obviously, that's not. This one is a lot bigger than that one, and so on and so forth. Now, you can go through and check them all and make sure they're right. If you are given this on an exam paper or something like that, or if you've drawn it and you've drawn it to scale and you're pretty confident with your accuracy, then here's a suggestion. Take your ruler and measure with your ruler the distance from there to there. Okay, whichever one of these ones has the biggest distance between them is going to be the biggest gap. And that's literally what it is. So it looks like this one could be. So there's sort of three of them that I would say are close. That one, and that one. So you can calculate it out and work out which one it is. I'm going to tell you that it's 2016. But if you use a ruler to check it out, that's probably the safest way. Or you can just do the calculations if the numbers are nice.